Hello dear students and viewers. At first I would like to thank you all for viewing my videos. Most of you have not yet subscribed my channel. So please subscribe my channel, share and comment on the videos. Also push the bell icon button to get notifications of the new uploaded videos. Hello dear students, we are going to solve a numerical problem related to elasticity. The question is, a copper wire and a steel wire of same cross section area and of lengths 1 meter and 2 meter respectively are connected end to end. A force is applied which stretches the combined length by 1 centimeter. Find the elongation of each wire. Young's modulus of copper and Young's modulus of steel are given. Now, let us understand the question with this diagram. Suppose this is copper wire of length L1 is equal to 1 meter, which may be denoted by LC. This is steel wire of length L2 is equal to 2 meter, which is denoted by L steel. Due to the application of this force F, the total elongation delta L is equal to 1 cm, which is 0.01 meter. We have to find the elongations of copper wire and steel wire. Now we know Young's modulus is given by the relation y is equal to F into L upon A delta L, where F is applied force, L is initial length, A is cross section area and delta L is the change in length. From this relation, F upon A will be equal to Y into delta L upon L. Because the cross section of the cross section of the two wires are given to be same, therefore F upon L will be same for both wires. Hence, we can write F upon A. Hence, F upon A will be same for both wires. Hence, we can write F upon A is equal to Y copper delta L copper upon capital L copper is equal to Y steel delta L steel capital L steel. And on putting the corresponding values, we get Y copper is 1.1 into 10 to power 11 into delta L copper upon length of copper is 1 meter is equal to Y of steel is 2 into 10 to power 11 into delta L steel upon length of steel is 2 meter. 10 to power 11 cancels out. Also, this 2 cancels this, and we get delta L of steel is equal to 1.1 into delta L copper. So, we get one equation, delta L steel is equal to 1.1 delta L copper. Suppose this is equation 1, but this combined elongation delta L is the sum of elongation of copper and elongation of steel wire. So, delta L will be equal to delta L of copper plus delta L of steel. Now, putting the value of delta L as 0.01 is equal to delta L copper plus delta L of steel can be replaced by 1.1 delta L copper. So, it becomes 2.1 delta L copper, which gives delta L copper as 0.01 upon 2.1, which gives 4.76 into 10 to minus 3 meter. This is the elongation of copper wire. Therefore, from this relation, elongation of steel wire will be 1.1 into delta L of copper. Delta L of copper has been calculated here. So, 1.1 into 4.76 into 10 to minus 3 meter gives the elongation of steel wire as 5.24 into 10 to minus 3 meter.